Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change the oil in your Mini Cooper. First, gather your essential tools, including a 13mm wrench, an oil filter removal tool, and a drain pan. Always ensure your vehicle is on a level surface and the engine is cool to prevent burns. Safety is paramount, so always wear protective gloves and eyewear throughout the process. Next, locate the oil drain plug, which is usually a 13mm bolt on the bottom of the oil pan. Position your drain pan directly underneath it. Carefully remove the plug, allowing the old engine oil to flow out. Let it drain completely. This process typically takes around 10 to 15 minutes to ensure all the old oil is removed from the system. Once the oil has drained, remove the old oil filter using a specialized filter wrench. Before installing the new filter, lightly oil its rubber gasket to ensure a proper seal. Then, carefully screw on the new filter until it is hand-tight, plus an additional 1/4 turn. Finally, reinstall the drain plug, tightening it to 25 Newton-meters for a secure fit. Now it's time to add the new oil. Consult your owner's manual for the exact type and amount, but typically Mini Coopers require between 4½ to 5 liters of synthetic oil. Pour it in slowly. After adding, start the engine for about 30 seconds, then turn it off and wait 5 minutes. Finally, check the oil level with the dipstick and top up if necessary.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.